My name's Piazza, and I'm an industrial designer as my day job. And I got into adventure motorcycling about 5 years ago. I love just going out someplace I've never been before, trying to see a new view, a new waterfall, a new lake. And you can get all that on the motorcycle too, which is pretty awesome as you're passing along the way. Heavy, first thing to notice. That's nice, solid. Always appreciate some good, clean packaging. Love this grip detail. Let's see here. Oh, there we go. Oh, nice. Appreciate a nice anodized touch point. Clearly see when it's locked. This must be the saw. Solid click. Know that it's secure, not gonna cut my hands. Wow, those are some gnarly teeth. Good grip area. Oh, the two-tone's pretty sweet in the materials here. I always need a folding saw. Sometimes when you're going on the trail, you run across smaller trees, which you can lift up and move, but sometimes they're lodged between rocks. So I mean, like, you could definitely cut like a 10-12 inch diameter trunk with this if you needed to. Also cutting off pieces of firewood, always come in handy. Hopefully I'd never need to cut a limb off with it. I can just go in here. Yeah, oh, it even slides into a rack system. Keeps it nice and secure. Oh, and this must be the knife. Oh wow, that's like engraved in there. Deep too. That's nice. Yeah, so much attention to detail. Even the feel of that knife going in there and how secure it is. I mean, like, when don't you need a knife? It's constantly like peeling off pieces of kindling, eating an apple, just killing time whittling wood around the fire, eating that steak that you cook around the campfire. Always gotta do the rattle test. Feels pretty good. It's not rattling too bad. Nice and snug fit. Sweet. Obviously good for digging, moving coals around, clearing the campground site, getting rid of all these pine needles and pine cones and rocks to put your tent down. I didn't even see that. Oh yeah, it's like a little shovel there, or my spoon. Yeah, this thing's awesome. Nice sharp edge. Oh yeah, I can chop some wood with that. And of course we got a nice knurled surface here for hammering in stakes. Realistically, what I would use this for is to like hammer a rim on my front wheel back together if it ends up cocking out. If you hit a rock too hard, sometimes you gotta like smash a rock against your front rim to straighten it out, but this gives you a nice clean flat surface to take care of that for you. I think we've got something else here too. Oh, this is the sheath for it. Sweet. Right on. It's right in there. In the waistband. Oh, that's in there real solid. Oh, and you can even angle it too. You can set a different angle for it. Nice. Yeah, I love the overall like silhouette of this. Love the part lines and the way that they've got these angles intersecting. Like, just feels really considered. Every detail considered. I felt like it was gonna be a pretty solid object. I thought it would be like, you know, I I felt like it was gonna have some heft to it, usually like an axe or a saw or anything like that, usually well. So kind of meets my expectations there. I definitely feels like, you know, I can split some wood with this thing. I can bash some rocks. Like, it's gonna take a beating and hold up just fine. I saw online that this is made of like nylon reinforced plastic, which is gonna be like crazy strong. Got no concerns about this holding up either. You see a lot of axes today that are come together with like nylon shafts on them and hammers as well. So it's going to definitely hold up. I really love this grip detail. Like, it feels solid in your hand. Fits my grip perfectly. Yeah, it definitely is living up to my expectations. It's got some great product photography online, and there's the industrial design of it. Looks like a pretty quality product, and it's exceeded that in every way in person.